Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. Welcome to our EquiTalks episode number 76. My name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. In this episode, I'll be talking about my analysis and I'll be giving my recommendation for EEI Corporation with a stock code of EEI. In this 76th episode, I'll be answering this question. Is there a buy signal confirmation for EEI already? I will answer that for you using my Evergreen Strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. It's a collection of my proprietary methodologies in trading and investing. And you can avail of that product as well by visiting our website at equilyst.com/evergreen, or simply visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on the course page or menu on top. There are 6 modules that you will learn from my online stock market seminar or online stock market course. You will get a lifetime access. And by the way, if you're going to avail of that product until January 31, 2020, you will be able to get it at a 40% discount. We have a 40% discount until January 31st, 2020. For each purchase, 1,000 pesos will be donated to our affected brothers and sisters in Tagaytay or Batangas, our fellow Filipinos right there who got directly affected by the eruption of Taal volcano. All right, so from 10,000 pesos, it's just now down to 6,000 pesos, and when you avail of it, 1,000 will be donated uh, to our social action arms in Batangas. So going back to my analysis, EEI closed as of market closing on Friday, January 17, 2020 at 9 pesos per share. The immediate support is at 8.9. The immediate resistance is at 9.8. Now, it managed to maintain its ascent or a position above the immediate support at 8.9, it's not yet completely out of the woods because as I see it right here, it's still trading below the 10 SMA and MACD is still moving below the signal line. So it has to increase its elevation from the immediate support for us to be more comfortable to say that it may have already found its psychological bottom at 8.9. So this early we can say that yet. So going back or continuing, foreign investors registered a net foreign buying worth 265,000 pesos last Friday, but year to date they are net sellers. There's nothing significant about their participation, so we're not going to factor in their participation that much on EEI. The this stock has a historical volatility score of 27%, meaning to say it has a low risk level. But again, it doesn't mean you should buy the stock just because it has a low risk level. That's one of the many things that you will learn from my online stock market course or online stock market seminar called the Evergreen Strategy in Trading and Investing in the Philippine Stock Market. Now, on the DMI chart, I see here that the negative DMI, this red line, is moving above the positive DMI, which is the green line. And ADX is at 33%, meaning to say that's a confirmation that the downtrend momentum is getting stronger, it's getting worse. Okay? The total turnover value of EEI last Friday was at 4 million pesos. While foreign traders were the main drivers, they are net sellers year to date. According to my trade and volume distribution analysis, EEI has a volume weighted average price of 8.92. That's already higher than the last price of 8. That's still lower rather. That's still lower than the last price of 9 pesos per share, but we should not jump upside down yet because there are 4 elements in our momentum power indicator. The VWAP is just one of those 4. The dominant range of EEI as of Friday, January 17, 2020 was between 8.95 to 9 pesos per share. That is closer to the intraday high than the intraday low. So we got a bullish momentum power indicator, but again, it's not yet out of the woods. There is no buy signal confirmation yet. That's the answer to the question. Why? Why is there no buy signal confirmation? Well, the 10 MACD combo is still bearish. For you to get a buy signal confirmation based on my evergreen strategy, both 10 MACD and momentum power indicator must be bullish. The bearish true market sentiment reaffirms the lack of a buy signal confirmation. Now, for the recommendation, if you already have EEI and under the assumption that your trailing stop is intact, I would advise that you hold your position or might as well reduce the percentage of risk of your trailing stop since we got a bearish true market sentiment. It's a totally different story if you don't know what on earth a trailing stop is. To know more about it, click on Resources, Tools, and then use my trailing stop calculator, or simply visit Learn, our EquiTalks library, and then go to the search box right here and then type in trailing stop, and then that will help you find relevant articles that we have published regarding that topic. All right? So now for if you don't have EEI, that's good. So don't enter on a new position yet. Don't do a test buy yet. Be on a wait and see mode. Wait for the 10 smack combo to become bullish. Hopefully, once it becomes bullish, the momentum power indicator will maintain its bullishness as well. So wait for the price to increase or to go above the 10 SMA, and preferably for the MACD line to register a golden cross above the signal line. So wait for those two things to happen. Now, fortunately for you, of course, if you are one of our subscribers, one of our paying customers, you can request for our latest analysis and recommendation for EEI and for any other stock that is listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange in our private clients forum. That's one of the perks of being a paying customer. All right? And speaking of which, how do you subscribe? How do you become a subscriber? Well, just visit our website at equilyst.com/subscribe, or visit the website at equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe page or menu on top. What do you get when you subscribe? 6 things. Number 1, every day, except holidays and weekends, you will get a daily video for short-term trading purposes. It has 10 trade ideas. Okay? It's more detailed than this EquiTalks episode like this one. This is a free version where I talk about just one stock. When you become a subscriber, a premium subscriber, you will get a video, daily video with 10, not just one, 10 trade ideas. Number 2, you will have an access to our investment guide for long-term investing. We monitor all 30 blue chip companies, and then we tell our clients which ones have a buy signal confirmation and the dominant range where they should top up or buy more shares or new shares. Okay. Number 3, you will have an access to our private clients forum where you can ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for any stock listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Of course, including the stocks that you may already have even before you subscribe at Equilyst Analytics. Number 4, you will be able to submit your analysis in our private clients forum in our study room for us to check it. I'm going to give you a score. I'm going to give you my recommendations on how to analyze better. All right. Once your analysis is already on point, if it's really a very good analysis, I am going to approve it for publication on our website with your picture, with your author's biography or byline. And of course, we're going to embed your affiliate link. Of course, I know you would love to share it on social media. You would love to show it to your friends, of course, your pictures on it. And then when they subscribe through your affiliate link, 20% of which is your affiliate income, your commission. And that's benefit number 5 when you subscribe. And last but not the least, when you subscribe, you will get a free account, a free online stockbrokers account from First Metro Securities. Plus, you will get 2 months of free access to First MetroSec Pro, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines. All right? So that's what you get when you subscribe. I think that's only for about 10 to 12 pesos per day for 1 year. Where can you get where can you get all of those? Where can you bother an analyst to give you all of that for only 10 to 12 pesos per day? Well, only here at Equilyst Analytics. All right, and finally, I would like to invite you to sign up to our free newsletter so that you will get an email notification every time we publish an EquiTalks episode like this one. So visit our website at equilyst.com, click resources, click learn, or simply visit equilyst.com/learn. And then click the orange button to sign up. Don't forget to confirm your registration by checking your inbox. If it's not there, check your spam and junk folder. That way, you will be receiving an email when we publish a free EquiTalks episode like this one. And this is our EquiTalks library. You can navigate on this one. You can read news, listen to our podcast, watch our videos, check a word that you don't understand. There's a word bank right here. You can type in the word that you don't understand. If it's not in the database, you can submit the word to us, and then we're going to double check. If it's not really in our database, we're going to describe it and add it into our database for your convenience when you search for that word next time. All right? So, and since we're already here, let me also invite you to follow us on all of our social media accounts. We're on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, SoundCloud. We're all over. Okay? So aside from being notified through email, it's also nice to be notified through your favorite social media account. So follow us. It's free. There's nothing to lose. It's everything is for you to gain, actually. This is free anyway, right? So follow us so that you'll be notified across in many ways. So you'll be the first one to benefit from these freemium episodes, EquiTalks episodes like this one. All right. So again, thank you for watching or listening to our EquiTalks episode number 76. Again, this is JC De Guzman of Equilyst Analytics. Always remember, be evergreen.